Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Whether you need a break from social media or want to take your account offline for a while, deactivating is a simple process. Let's go through the steps. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to deactivate. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile page. Step 3. Once you're on your profile, tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. This opens the menu where you can access your account settings. Step 4. In the menu, tap on Account Center. This is where you can manage your Instagram account settings, along with other linked accounts like Facebook. Step 5. Next, select Personal Details to view and edit your account information. Step 6. Under Personal Details, tap on Account Ownership and Control. This section allows you to manage important account options, like deactivating or deleting your account. Step 7. Now, tap on Deactivation or Deletion to choose whether you want to deactivate your account temporarily or permanently delete it. Step 8. Select the account you want to deactivate if you have more than one account linked. Step 9. To confirm, enter your password. This is to verify that you're the account owner and authorize the change. Step 10. Finally, tap Continue, and then Deactivate Account. Your account will be temporarily deactivated, and you can always reactivate it later by logging back in. And that's it. You've now successfully deactivated your Instagram account. If you decide to come back, simply log in, and your account will be restored. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful guides.